We just arrived at Terwilliger hot springs, and this place is beautiful. This is a lake that they have, and the dam is further down. It's beautiful out here. Parking is not too bad, about like 20 vehicles. Pretty nice. So we paid $12 per person. It's not bad. It's about what time is it right now?
It is 11:53.
11:53, and there's 5 people there before us. But here's the little menu that they have here. Day use area, closed at sundown, sunrise. Parking is limited, so come early. Out here with my South Carolina folks, came to visit. David, Anna, say hi.
You say hi.
Hi. So we arrived at the hot spring, and it's actually not bad. There's a little changing place right here. You have your hooks to hang your clothing, little kind of gazebo made out of wood. You got the stairs down there. So I'm going to the furthest one out. That's the coldest one because they go like a domino effect. Hot water starts up there, goes down, down, and down to this one. So let's go take a look. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah, rock on, guys. This is pretty sick. Oh, David, you got a drink up here. You got it made, man. Oh man, this is great.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a video. You guys are gonna read it.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Okay, let's take a picture.
So I'll tell you this, the hike wasn't as bad. It was about 4 minutes long, and there's 4 tubs in here. The top one is about 112, the other one's about 90. So we're in the one that has the waterfall, or at least a few of them do. So what we're doing now is we're gonna go to the hot tub and the biggest tub. Let's go. So there's rocks down here. I'm going to the big one. This is much hotter. People are relaxing over here, so we've got to kind of keep it quiet. Oh yeah.
I wonder what day God made those pipes in the rock.
So we just finished our session in the hot springs, and I'll show you their changing rooms that they have. It's not that bad. It's a small little hike to it. They're fairly clean. 2-person. Beautiful, amazing views. Unfortunately, some of this forest was burnt, I believe in 18. But some of the trees are coming back to life. Amazing.